Hi guys, so I wanted to record an update on this hair. This is the Bomb Twist hair, and I've had it in my hair for three weeks, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, 3 days, 3 weeks and 3 days exactly. And so I wanted to update you guys on what it looks like now. I got it kind of pinned off to the side, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to take the pins out and show you what it looks like without the pins. Some updates on the hair. It gets really fuzzy, it gets really frizzy. If you don't like frizz and fuzz, this hair is not for you, or especially the method that I use. There probably is a better method, but I just twisted it in or braided it at the root or plaited it at the root and then loosely twisted it in. So that gets really fuzzy after a while, but honestly, the fuzzier it gets, I think the more natural it looks. However, because I put so many twists in my hair, and I put so many twists and I had small parts, it started looking like bulky right here at the top. The fuzzier it got, to me it started looking bulky, so I didn't really like the way the top started to look. But this is what it looks like. Also, because the hair got so fuzzy and frizzy, it started to stick together, so I had to like pull it apart. It wasn't too bad for me, but it was thick, and I couldn't wear necklaces or anything on my neck or anything on my ears really, unless I put it up, because if I did, it would be stuck to my hair and it would hurt, and it would be stuck to my neck and it would hurt. So I didn't do all of that. Yeah, otherwise it was good. It was good. It still looks good to me. It's still pretty. It's still really big in my opinion, but I still think it's really pretty. The thing that I really started to dislike was when it started getting fuzzy, I started to not be able to see my parts so good, so I started feeling like it looked wiggy. Maybe that was just me in my own mind thinking that, but it started looking wiggy because I couldn't see the parts, and when I pushed it back, my hair was so fuzzy around here. I don't know. I'm not all about like laid edges or anything. Like, that doesn't really faze me, but it just looked crazy. So yeah, this is the 3-week update on the hair. I think I might take it out tomorrow and just be done with it. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, because I said I was going to come back and tell you how the hair held up. Now, before this, I had some hair called Nubian Twist. I don't know if I recorded a video. If I did, I don't have it anymore. But I really like the Nubian Twist hair because it was very highly textured. So it kind of had the same look, but it laid down flatter. It was really textured. It was easier to manipulate. If you like a curlier, bigger, bouncy look, this look is for you. But for me, I really prefer the Nubian Twist hair. This hair is cute, don't get me wrong. Both of them I like, but I prefer the Nubian Twist hair. So I'm gonna record some hairstyle switch for you guys before I take these out, because I did come up with some other hairstyles. Yeah, so I'm gonna record some hairstyles for you before I take this out. Stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, post them down below and I will answer them as I receive them. Peace.